Americans are marketed to. I could use the word lie, but that's a little bit strong, but they are marketed to. You're told that this is good for you to eat when it's really bad for you to eat. You're told to don't eat fat when really you should be eating fat. The support call is important because it can separate the big things from the little things. You know, you don't know what you don't know. We see a lot of moms, moms with kids, moms who do not have the confidence that they used to in the food system. We really want the whole family to be part of this whole exercise in their own survival. I am not telling you how to homestead. I am guiding you down the road of the process of homesteading. When you do something for yourself or for your family that is related to your own survival, it fulfills something in your human spirit. Okay, if you start looking at homesteading and you say, boy, I'd like to do that, the promise that I can make to you is anyone can farm.